hello, 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 hello. Obvious po ba? Obvious na yung face ko. O okay lang. Grabe naman makahuy. Hoy! I missed you guys. Don't worry guys, I'm not blind. Nor am I getting blind. It's just char-char lang. As what they call it. Char-char lang. Hello, shout out. Shout out. This is very quick. Quick lang na live. Dahil quick lang. How did you spend your Christmas? I was at Cebu. I was in Cebu. Tapos kami nag-celebrate. I even played Roblox for a while with my friends. Madali lang po to. Quick live lang. Because I'm supposed to rest. I mean, technically I'm resting right now. Kind of. And, let's play music kasi music is life. And you burn to like a sweet elevate to your heart. Manood kayo ng Zambales. Zambales, no? Oh. Zambales. Come to Zambales. Let's see. Shout out Shekinaya. The thing is, I wanna go live. Nagunsa ka sa St. Vincent. Nagpa-check po. Nagpa-check lang. Yun lang po. And, yeah. Greatest love of all. Congratulate. Thank you po sa mga nag-congratulate and nag-celebrate dahil sa Met Billboard ko. Thank you. Thank you dahil you guys recognized the Billboard and met the Thayan. Good job. Bittersweet memories. I made it a playlist, but I still hear all your favorite melodies. Strangers to lovers to enemies. So I dance at the close in the Panalo Lakers? For real? Weren't you scared to the little love video? Okay na ba tips mo? Medyo lang. Medyo lang po. Masakit siya, but ano? Kaya naman. Hello. Hello, hello. What do we talk about? Kasi gusto kong
mag-usap. And here I am, not knowing what to usap about. So, long time no live, guy. Sinong nanonood? Parang may kilala ako na nanonood. Yeah, I should be resting. I'm bored. Okay? Sorry if I'm bored. Gusto ko mag-live. Kasi bored. Quick live lang naman. Kaya, do not worry. Yeah. Shout out, Kaimates. Shout out, Kaimates. These are all Kaimates. Views on Love Team. Interesting question. Love teams. Wait. Sumasayaw ka pa. Di naman. Di naman. You did not see that. No one saw that. So, move on. Do not dwell on that. Let's move on because baka they're gonna cut it, tapos they're gonna post it. No. Okay, so thoughts on love teams. Thoughts on love teams. I think this country is very mahilig talaga sa love teams. And kita naman. Kasi I used to love like Katnel, Liz Ken, all those types of love teams. Pero as I got older, parang is it really necessary sometimes to be in a love team? You know. Pero okay lang din naman ang love. Kasi mas nakakakilig naman talaga. Nice din naman yung kilig, you know? Yes, I'm resting. I'm resting my voice. Kaya hindi ako makapagkanta right now. But hoy, umalis ka dito. Umalis ka, bro. Shout out. I don't want to shout you out right now. Oopsies. Umalis ka dito. Whoever you are, na nagte-text sa akin right now, umalis ka dito. Shout out. Shout out, housemate.
Toss your dirty shoes in my washing machine hot. Baby, bang it up inside. I'm not wearing my usual lipstick. I thought maybe we would kiss tonight. Baby, kiss It's me already, and toss your dirty shoes in my washing machine. Baby, bang it up inside.
Judger ka, no? Judger ka. Sino ka man nanonood right now? Judger ka. Huh? So what if I'm kumakanta? You know what? You know what my ano is? You know what my moniker is? Say your name. Who you pretend I am. I know who you pretend I am. Don't be not me. Why not me?
Not me, why not me? Don't need tea, why not me? Why not me?
Sorry. Meron kasing ano dito papansin. Merong papansin dito sa live. Merong papansin.
The sun is nearly gone. The lights are turning on.
May papansin sa live.
A silver shine that stretches to the sea. You stumble on a view that's tailor-made for two.
Ay, putik. Don't go to the speaker. Ayaw sumagot.
To worry me.
Some other girl think Shout out Ate Jean! Shout out Ate Jean. Shout out Sky. Andito si Rain. Where? On cam. On mo cam mo. Wait, can you hear me? Can you hear yourself on the live? Ah, on mo cam mo, tapos pakita mo sarili mo. Go. Wait, do it! Wait, you're not on speaker. Should I put you on speaker? Patay na. Patay na. Sige, on mo cam mo, tapos i-flash ko. No, you're not. Should I? Who do you... No, I'm not asking them. Hey guys.
Pero si this, ito na lang ganito.
Hello? You're suddenly on? You turned on your cam?
Yeah.
It got louder. Bro, you're on speaker. Oh my god, it's cause when you turn on your cam. Baliw! Okay, turn on your cam since you already turned it on anyway. Go, do it! Ayay! Bro, turn off his cam.
No, bro, I look like a mess.
I mean, turn on the lights.
Baby, let's just Okay, that's good enough. That's all.
see?
Because I just had a nap.
Ito po yung morning, well, nap face ni Jaren, if you can see. Hindi ko nga siya makita eh. Hala, uy, just turn it on.
It's on, bro.
Actually, you know what? Since I'm nice. I won't force you to turn it on. Ba't ka papansin?
Talking about.
Ba't ka papansin?
Sino tumawag sa akin? Yung code
You're the one who told me to call you!
Fake news, fake news.
Fake news? I'm live right now.
Don't believe everything you see on the internet.
True. Actually, guys, don't believe whatever you see or hear on the internet. Come on, guys, you're
Yeah.
better than this.
Exactly.
You're better
So
than
if you
this.
see that Kai is a good person, don't believe it.
Oh my god. Oh my god. May papakita ko sa kanila. Yung
Shout
photo mo.
out, idol.
Yung photo mo.
I dare you show that photo. I got a photo to share as well.
What? Is it the one I was sleeping? You already posted that.
No, not that one.
You don't have anything else, bro.
Lollipop, lollipop.
Hala. That was on your phone?
Yes, bro, I didn't delete that.
Well, I have more.
Don't think so.
Wait, paano ba? Is it possible to show photos dito sa phone?
I dare you. Bro, I dare you.
I-off mo yung ano mo, turn the lights on pala.
No!
Come on! People like you!
Okay. That's all you guys are getting. Oh!
Oh! Oh! Oh! Ayan. Happy na guys? Happy kayo?
Did you show it?
Yeah, I did. Happy kayo guys? Hindi daw.
Hindi daw. No, not happy.
Hindi daw sila happy. Sobrang happy. Guys, since this is a quick live, I just wanna say na huwag kalabanin ang sarili. Okay?
What
Guys,
do you mean by that, bro?
huwag kalabanin ang sarili. Guys, just like, you know, you wanna support somebody, do it in peace. Okay?
Peace, tranquility.
Real. Kasi huwag kalabanin ang sarili talaga.
Correct.
Yeah. So, abangan ang January, di ba, Jaren?
Yup.
And, sana nandun kayo tomorrow for me. Kahit wala si Jaren.
Sa Sambales. Oh, guys, don't go. Wala.
Bye. You're not helping!
I'm joking. Yes, support Kai tomorrow sa Sambales.
People are saying call Rain, so
Yeah, go call Rain.
I'm gonna have to call someone more important to me.
Okay, call Rain then.
I'm just kidding. So, wag niyo i-clip niyan and make an issue about it. Don't do that. Bye.
Bye.
Imagine a world like that. Imagine. Yeah. Shout out sa mga kumaring expired. I have no idea bakit kayo expired. Sana ay di na kayo ma-expire. When ba ang manufacturing date niyo? Don't overthink the more important. They're both important to me. Ganun lang talaga kami ni Jaren. How do I call Rain if he's not, if she's not answering? Actually, I haven't even called her yet, so. You know what? I just realized yung stay matibay pala came from me. I didn't even know until I saw the video again. Na parang stay matibay. Aba, it came from me pala, no? I didn't know that. I just came out of the BBB house tapos punta ako sa hotel. Call Rain. Okay. Calling Rain right now. Actually, para makita nyo guys, let's use this. Para kitang-kita. Taga Zambales ka? Hello? Hello, Zambales. Zambaleños? Is that what you guys are called? Anong tawag sa mga taga Zambales po? Uy, fireworks! Happy New Year! Happy New Year! Zambaleños. Yes. Hello mga taga Zambales. Zambaleños. Okay, cool. Imagine a world like that. Imagine a world like that. You're excited for tomorrow? Ako din. Sana pumunta kayo tomorrow.
A waste of a lovely night.
Yes, I'm calling Rain. Okay? Si Rain, hindi siya nagko-call. Hindi siya nag-a-answer kaya. Wala lang ko sa pag-iisip sa'yo. Ang panahon. Don't, Rina! Rick. They told me to call you, so. It's my turn.
Oh, really? Stop.
Overexposure. Overexposed. Saan ba camera nito? Ba't yung Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Yeah. They just told me to call you. They told me to call you. You. Tapos tinawag ko si Jaren eh. Kaya, bye-bye.
Bye.
You know what? There's this game I've been playing. And naiirita ako sa game na to. Ay po. Parang napagdaan ko ng This is fake Tetris. I used to be mad at this game because it's fake Tetris. You know what I mean? Hindi siya totoo na Tetris kaya ayaw. 17 17K? Your high score? Bro, my high score is 4K lang. I just started playing. Ayoko lang naman lagi nagkapagkilag sana nagpuputos ako sa nalimutan lahat sa'yo. What? What? Ha? Ha? Happy birthday, Jazz! Like Ate Jazz? Sa'yo, sa'yo. Ay, sorry guys. May live pa pala, no? Who else should I call? 60K high score mo? Brother, where have you been? I love this song.
Your day started ordinary.
70K score mo. Bro, that's crazy.
I'm not the type to fall for a guy.
Pwede ka din bang ka-talking stick? Ano ba yan, guys? Pwede ka ba daw ka-talking stick?
I just can't stop myself from falling.
I wanna play badminton. Call Jaren. I already called him. And he just woke up. So, let Jaren rest. I'm supposed to rest din. Kasi masakit pa teeth ko. I mean, okay lang, sakto lang.
I'm not the type to fall for a guy who doesn't get high. Don't go on like this, and now I'm falling for you. Hello.
What else should I even talk about? It's just a quick live anyway. Call Jaren again. Call Ate Jazz. Ouch! Oh my gosh, guys! I brought my journal pala. This is my journal in Cebu. Ito na rin yung ginagamit ko until now.
I get so weak in the knees, I can hardly speak. I lose all control.
Ay, pray ko. Call Yana. Okay, let's call her.
Push me right off of my feet. My love makes me weak.
iPad case reveal. Walang case to buy. Walang case. I should buy a case, no? Just so pakama. See you tomorrow, guys. Pakis. Call JP. Can't figure out just what you do. JP won't answer because he's, you know, he's busy. I can hardly speak. I lose all control. And he's always in D&D. Kaya, it never works. Right off from my feet. Can't explain why your love makes me weak. JP, they told me to call you.
Hello.
Asan ka na? They told me to call you, so say something to the people, your fans, dito sa live.
Sige. Yun, thank you for the support and I love you all. And gagawin ko best ko para sa inyo lahat.
Aww.
Happy New Year and Happy Holidays.
Aww. That's so sweet. Sige. Thanks. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
That was so nice. Can't explain why. Sino next? Call Rain? Again? Ate Colette. Articles. Can't explain why your love it makes me weak. Ate Colette. Bro. My Instagram is not working here. Can you tell? No. Ate Colette, I'm trying to call Ate Colette pero hindi nagwo-work yung Instagram on iPad ko. Does that make sense?
You're the song that no one
I'll
likes,
try,
but the melody stuck in your head all night.
something
My
else.
God, everything I do, you stay within my sight. I can't walk, I can't talk. It's like work on my days off. Make the curse you left
Ay,
behind.
di pwede.
I need something to keep my
We're not
mind
ano
off.
pala. We're not friends on Facebook. I only call her on Instagram kasi I was supposed to be there at Ate Colette's birthday. Pero andun pa ako sa Cebu. Bro, nag-video call na lang. Video call kami. Tapos sabi ko, your hair. Ate Jazz.
I've been cursed by the worst witch in the universe. My turn is her turn. Now she took it over, got me not wanting to sleep, drinking six-pack.
Bro, the internet here is so bad.
She sings to me, brings to me ideas when it seems to be a dead end situation. learn. And then she got me writing songs about her. I give her thanks, but I'd rather be strong and blessed than to see your face shake, staring into my face. I thought when you left me, you were out of my face.
Ano yan, Rain? Ano yan? Ba't may itlog? I mean, ba't may chicken?
In sleep he sang to me, in dreams he came, that voice which calls to me
And speaks my name.
and do I live again? But no, I inside.
Grand Beanie verse. Unseen pics of me and Fiang. Kasi di ko siya mag-call. Walang wifi eh.
Some of the opera is there beside you.
This is my dog pala.
To have seen your face draw back in fear, I am the mask you wear. And I know
All I Ask for You in Phantom of the Opera, of course. I love that song. Anong title ng song? Phantom of the Opera. I'm sure they teach those in school. Kasi we have that in English. But fan na talaga ako ng Phantom of the Opera. Tagal na. Ginawa niya sa theater, that's nice. Sorry guys if this isn't so entertaining. I'm supposed to be resting. So, nagre-rest lang ako. And I'm kind of bored kasi so nag-live na din ako. And I'll be fine. My face. Hindi na siya ganong nalobat. So sorry. So sorry. Call Kai. Call Kai. Facebook review. Come back, Kai. You made this happen. Bisaya. Near river. Sorry if I'm playing Lola music. Mag-play na lang ako ng other music. Let's play COD. Tara po. Did you know that there's PBB Gen 11 on Roblox? I literally joined that. It's just fire. Just let this story recommend a book. The Subtle Art of Not Giving by Mark Manson. I think so, yeah. Wait for your love. It's a very popular book. I believe that people should read it because it's very relevant. Lucky. Nag-COD ka? Yeah. I play COD sometimes. My favorite artist recently, Rob Daniel. Ano ko siya. I found him sa rom-com. Because of the song Rom-Com. It's his song. Rob Daniel. Rom-com, yung kumanta siya ng rom-com. Kanta niya kasi yun and I liked it. So I was like, damn. I like this guy's songs and music. Kaya na-unbox mo na gifts mo? Yeah, I did. From Cebu. I had to unbox it in Cebu kasi paano ko ma-bring dito sa Manila if daming boxes. I had so much of these because it's actually masarap. Sa Zambales po ako pupunta. Zambales po. Sabaw. Did I already see my billboard? Online, yeah, I have. My friends have sent me photos. Ni-repost ko. Pero hindi ko pa siya nakita in person. Kasi hindi pa ako I haven't gotten out of the condo yet ever since coming back here. Kasi I'm supposed to rest. What can you say about fandom wag? What does that mean? Favorite character in the Guardians of the Galaxy? Peter Quill. Ano po iniinom niyo? Del Monte. Fruity. What father ka kay? Yeah, I used to be. Shout out Ziki Abelia. mag-ing na. Ibutang sa comments. Ziki. Zik. Pag mo ragog video, maga-tumbling ka. Put down in the comments. Hi, Kai. Ay, hi, Kai. Hello. Kai, ano highest mo? Ha? Ano? Ano meaning yan?